Good morning children. Today for 4th standard मैं पार्ट नंबर 15 के ऊपर के नीचे is nothing children except के ऊपर means above something, के नीचे means below or under something. Above something will be के ऊपर, below will be के नीचे, below or under. Okay. So you can even say, in other words, you can say above is on, or below you can say another word is under. On or under, above or below. There will be two English words that you can use for के ऊपर or के नीचे. Now के ऊपर or के नीचे means you have seen pictures. Here there are some pictures on page number 35 children. Here the first one is घर के ऊपर तोता है. There's a parrot sitting over the house. Okay. There's a parrot sitting above the house. So घर के ऊपर तोता है. There is a parrot above the house. Over the house. It's sitting on top of the house. So there is a parrot above, के ऊपर, above the house. Second one is पेड़ के ऊपर कौवा है. पेड़ के ऊपर कौवा है means children there is a crow above the tree. There is a crow above the tree, or it is sitting on top of the tree. You can say like that too, on top of the tree or above the tree. Next one, मंदिर के ऊपर कलश है. So कलश is pot that is kept on top of the temple spire. So मंदिर के ऊपर कलश है. So in English it will be there is a kalash above the temple. There is a kalash above the temple. And the next fourth one children, पेड़ के नीचे सांप है. So it is below or underneath. So there is a snake. There is a snake below the tree. So what will be the translation children? There is a snake below the tree. That is नीचे के नीचे, below or under. You can say above, below, on or under, up on the table or under the table. It can be under even. There is a snake below the tree. The next one, खाट के नीचे संदूक है. You can see a box under the cot children. खाट के नीचे संदूक है. There is a box below the cot. There is a box below the cot, or you can even use the word under. You can use the word below or under. There is a box below the cot or under the cot. The sixth one is children, मेज के नीचे बिल्ली है. मेज, you can see a cat under the table. So मेज, this is called a table is called a मेज. The मेज के नीचे बिल्ली है. There is a cat below the table, or you can say under the table even. There is no problem. Below or under, above or on. So you can write two English translations for के नीचे के ऊपर. So over here, above you can write even another word in English on, and below you can also write under. Okay children, under. So above, below, on or under. So once again you have to write this in your classwork. No children, you have to write the Hindi sentence and translate it into English. It will be easier for you to read. घर के ऊपर तोता है. There is a parrot above the house. पेड़ के ऊपर कौवा है. There is a crow above the tree. मंदिर के ऊपर कलश है. There is a kalash above the temple. मंदिर means temple in English. पेड़ के नीचे सांप है. There is a snake below the tree. Then खाट के नीचे संदूक है. There is a box below the cot. And coming to the sixth one, मेज के नीचे बिल्ली है children. मेज के नीचे बिल्ली है. There is a cat below the table. This children do it in your rough note. And coming to the next page, on page number 36, we have the exercise in which you have to write जोड़ कर लिखो in the correct manner. So it's all jumbled up. You have to try to make it into correct sentences. So the first one, घर के ऊपर क्या था चिल्ड्रन? घर के ऊपर तोता था, तोता है. So you have to write it correctly. You have to match it and write it correctly. घर के ऊपर तोता है. Then मंदिर के ऊपर क्या है चिल्ड्रन? मंदिर के ऊपर कलश है, कलश है. So you have to match the correct sentence and write it together over here. पेड़ के नीचे चिल्ड्रन, पेड़ के नीचे सांप है. So you have to write it again, write the correct sentence on your right hand side. खाट के नीचे संदूक है. खाट के नीचे संदूक है means you have to write the correct sentence and write it on your right hand side. मेज के नीचे चिल्ड्रन, मेज के नीचे बिल्ली है. So मेज के नीचे बिल्ली है. So write this children, write the correct sentences. Look from here, you have already done it and it will be in your lesson also. So if you have any problem, you can just check and do it from there. Write the 5 correct sentences here and solve this in your class, in your textbook. And this I want you to do it in your classwork note. Do this and take a picture and send it to Rohana ma'am on my WhatsApp number. I'll check and I'll get back to you. This is for your homework. You have to do this in your classwork note and do this in your textbook and send me a picture. That's all children for today. Do this, send it to me and take care. Thank you children.